Hello everyone and welcome back to the Mario Decentralized channel. Today on this beautiful Sunday, I wanna wish you a beautiful end of the week and also a beautiful next week. And now let's go and talk about Bitcoin, crypto, Ethereum, and more. Now Bitcoin sitting at $108,300 right now. We are consolidating a little bit right now, so I think we stopped the drop right now, so which is nice. Now I would definitely like for Bitcoin to go above the 113k, create a higher high, and then go back to the all-time high and into price discovery mode. For now, we can see we are basically on the break of a breakout, so to say. Let's quickly see it here. We can see right here. So right now we are basically in this kind of a triangle pattern right here, and we might break out very soon. We just need to go above the 112k, which we were just a couple of days ago, and we are up for a big move. We will probably make the same move from here to here, so from 107 to 124. So it's going to be at around 17k move, so that would be very nice. Now the question is, when will this happen? Tomorrow, it's going to be a very important day. Tomorrow is the start of the new month, and also World Liberty 5, this token backed by the Trump family, and will be launching. So we might see some news from that side. Now let's clean the chart here a bit too many lines. This is very important. We have to do it from time to time. And with that being said, let's go over and look at some other tokens here. I still have my short here on Cyber. I'm definitely going to take some profits here today. And I'm also gonna take a look at my other positions. Some of them are still in the negative, like Immutable, Bitansor, Cake, and XRM and Sui. All of them are in the negative. I still have my Solana position, which is doing quite well, over 30k in profits. Then we have here my Link position, plus 18k, Doge, also in the positive, VeChain as well, and Uniswap. So we can see here, most of the positions that I opened from longer ago are still in the profits. The positions that I opened recently, most of these altcoins positions are in the red. I just opened these positions because I think we might see a nice altcoin season very soon, because Ethereum just broke above $4,000, and the $4,000 area was a very big resistance. That's why I think right now Ethereum is going probably for a new price discovery, and will probably go to like 6-7k. That's why I'm quite bullish on altcoins as long as Ethereum keeps pumping, and I still think we're gonna have a nice altcoin season where most of the altcoins will go to the upside. Now, with that being said, let's also check out the chart more clearly here for Ethereum, and it looks not so bad. We are already forming here higher highs on the 1 hourly, which is quite nice. Now we're having a small consolidation phase right here. It looks a little bit like a bull flag, so we might have a nice breakout to the upside. Also, we could form here some kind of inverse head and shoulders. So maybe let's check also the 4 hourly. Let's take away this inverse head and shoulders from before, and can we see some more patterns here? For now, I think that's it. We are still in an uptrend on the daily, on a massive uptrend. We can see here the price is basically just going diagonal here in this parabolic move. So I'm still very bullish for Ethereum, and I think Ethereum can go to the $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 until November, maybe even more. So I'm still very bullish. RSI cooled off a little bit. Now we're at around the half. So we might go for another move to the upside. Let's see what will happen. Let's check the RSI also on the 4 hourly. On the 4 hourly, it's already turning up. We almost touched the oversold area. So now we might go and have another big pump the next upcoming days. That's what I think it's going to happen next week. Now, I'm quite set with all of my positions. You can see I have 13 positions here in the crypto market. So quite well, quite happy with all of them. And I'm definitely gonna hold them for a bit longer until October, November. And with that being said, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to take profits. See you all again next time. Bye. Bye.